Hi, I'm Nikki Warnick with PuroClean of Idaho Falls. You're probably here because you need restoration or reconstruction services due to property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services. Whether your loss is due to water, fire, mold, or biohazard, we're here to help you as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Rest assured that you have come to the right place. We are the paramedics of property damage, thoroughly screened, fully insured, industry certified with IICRC certification. We are here to remediate residential and commercial property damage. With over 20 years of experience, we have the resources to provide the necessary skills to complete the project. We are confident in what we do because we have a proven track record and deliver outstanding customer service. We treat you like family with compassion and care while still being professional. Please call us at 208-715-8300 for help anytime, day or night, 24/7 to restore and rescue your property.